What's going on, you guys? Another day off for me. Day after Christmas, and I'm actually going to be going over to Jen's pretty soon. We're going to be going to the casino. Been a while. A couple months since we last went. Sorry I was lazy and slept all day, if you could not tell. I gotta play a quick game of NHL. Because she should be getting off pretty soon. And then, yeah. Head over to her place, and then to the casino we go. And hopefully somebody wins something, because I'm not looking to make any donations. I'm not playing, but, you know, don't want to be making any donations. Yeah. Hope you guys had a good Christmas, got everything you wanted. Oh, I got a lot of lightning stuff I'm pumped about. Like that awesome clock. I don't know where I'm going to put it yet, but I like it.